To all the killers and the $100 billers.
Hello, this is NYPD. We're reporting a disturbance of, like, a loud noise disturbance. People say that they can hear people screaming. Yeah, I think we're at the right house. NYPD, open up.
Yes, officer.
You Brian Adams?
Yeah? What about it?
We're here for a noise complaint.
Hey man, my neighbor come over, and he was gonna have dinner here, but he accidentally got caught in a blender. Now the blender was just mysteriously left on, and all of a sudden he tripped and fell in it. It must have been when I accidentally went like that. It's because I was stepping away from it. You know what I mean?
Sir, we're gonna have to see if you can keep the noise down because neighbors around here like the quiet neighborhood.
Well, I can take care of that. You got a gun?
Yeah, here you go.
Yeah, he's not gonna make no more noise. Now, you have a good day now, officer. And this Glock, I think I might keep it. So,
but sir, what's with all the blood?
Oh, that's not my blood. That's my neighbor's blood. It mysteriously came out when he got caught in a blender. It came all over me. Now, yeah. So it's not my fault, okay? If you're gonna investigate, you're gonna bring your copy friends. I would think twice, 'cause I'm not stable.
Help, sir, help! Please help!
He's gonna need them over 2 bullets.
Help us!
He definitely not gonna make no noise. Oh, shit. Oh, turn it off. If you could tell Freddy Krueger in the cells, I'll be over at his house at 4 o'clock. Okay? Remember that.
Okay,
4
sir.
o'clock.
You have a good day now.
Shut up!
You have a good day now.